Welcome to Steph's Hairstyles for Girls. Today I'm going to be showing you the fun, cute fishtail braid. We're going to start with just all of her hair at the bottom of her neck. I'm going to split it into two pieces and then using my index finger, just get a little bit from the bottom, from the right side, and go around, put it to the other side. And then with my left index finger, I'm going to get a little piece and move it over to the right side. The first little bit is the hardest part, trying to keep it together, but after that it's the same thing. You just get in a little piece with your index finger and moving it over to the other side. I'm gonna a little piece and moving it over, and just keeping it tight will be your main thing that you want to remember, to keep that tight. So just a little piece from each side. It takes longer than a regular braid because you're taking those small pieces, but it looks super cute. And I'm just going to speed this up because it's the exact same thing. Each time I'm just getting a little piece, I'm moving it to the other side, and then kind of just brushing it out a bit with my fingers just to make sure I'm not tangling up all the hair. And so I will just continue all the way down.